Hi, and welcome to the Keurig K3000SE Single Cup Commercial Brewing System. Regular cleaning of your system is recommended to help maintain peak performance. Your brewer should be wiped down with a lint-free, non-abrasive cloth on a regular basis. Do not immerse your brewer in water. To clean the K-Cup pack assembly, remove the K-Cup holder by pinching the silver clasp and pulling out the holder. Be careful of the two sharp needles inside. The funnel can be removed by gently pulling it apart. Rinse each part thoroughly. To clean the exit needle, insert a paper clip to remove any grounds and rinse with water. When you're done, snap the funnel back into place. Then return the pack holder back into the brewer. The drip tray can be wiped down or removed and washed clean. Rinse it with warm soapy water and wipe dry. When the K-Cup pack bin is full, the brewer will display Empty K-Cup Pack Bin. To empty the bin, simply open the door, remove the bin, and discard the used K-Cup packs. Replace the K-Cup pack bin and close the door. Before you drain your brewer, you'll need a container that will hold at least 2 gallons of water. To drain, turn off the water supply and unplug the brewer. Turn the brewer around so the back of the brewer is facing you, and slide it close to the edge of the counter. Unclip the drain hoses and hang them over the counter. Place the container under the drain hoses and remove the drain plugs. Be careful during this process, as the water will be extremely hot. When the flow of water stops, replace both drain plugs and clip the drain hoses back into place. The brewer's internal hot water tank is now empty. Thank you for joining us. We hope this tutorial effectively demonstrated how to clean and maintain your Keurig K3000SE Single Cup Commercial Brewing System. For more information on your brewer, please contact your Keurig authorized distributor.